Episode 1. A fur factory. Bird live in the fur factory.
I
love my tree.
is
It is the night quiet park
and
and I can see the ocean.
rồi.
One day, birds were sleeping.
Boom.
Boom, bong.
What?
What makes that sound?
Bird.
Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Boom, bong.
Ouch.
Ow! Bird looked up and he see a chipmunk. Sorry. He looked up, but she didn't see anything.
Cross.
Dạ?
Bone.
Fat, bong, acorn. Where do these come from? He looked up and he see a chipmunk.
Rồi.
Sorry,
Said
said
the chipmunk.
the chipmunk.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay.
Said bird.
Said bird.
What? What?
What you doing with all the acorn? I'm moving in. You moving in? Yeah.
Yes.
My name is Chip. I'm moving into this hole. My name is Chip. I'm Johnny Viper.
New hay.
New paper.
New neighbor. New neighbor.
New neighbor. Bird and Chip. Episode 2. Bird new neighbor.
Bird.
That
Bird.
bird don't like to
Have
have
been
a
neighbor.
Keep it loud and he drop acorn.
Yeah.
I hate you.
I need
I need
a break.
to work. I
And
think I'll go to a pig.
bird
Bird
walk
walked in the sand. He tucked her toe into the water. And
he ate
he some nuts.
I
I
love-
love the beach.
đúng rồi.
Again, but saw something. A
There
big, they are
the were
a big hawk in the sky. Oh no, that hawk will eat me. But found good place to hide.
at last
At last, a hawk is gone.
bird
Bird
flew.
flew back home.
Yes.
I saw a big hawk.
Oh.
Where are they?
Oh no.
I don't like hawk. Where are they? He asked the pig. Welcome here? I don't think so.
This tree
This tree is very
said
simple.
yes.
Bird and Sheep, episode
3.
3. Acorn Jumbo.
Con có nhớ bài nào? Bird
Bird
hear
hear
something.
something into sheep hole.
Chop.
Chop, chop, chop.
What?
What are you doing, Keep?
Yes.
I'm making acorn jumbo.
Then
And bird smell something very bad.
Yes.
Do you come to eat
We are
that?
going to eat that.
You going to eat that? No. We are going to eat that.
You
We're going to
invited to
invite her to dinner tonight.
yes. Keep
Keep it smell good. It smells good.
but
But
instead
he tastes cream.
red. Thus
Then but saw something. It is a big hawk.
was sweeping toward to the tree.
They're going to work to fig tree.
Yeah. Something
Something smelled bad.
the hawk.
A hawk turned around and flew away.
Yes. Well,
Well, keep
the
got acorn jumbo.
Safe.
Safe to a ship. And you rest. Acorn
Number.
It
Taste.
tastes quick.
Red.